It's pretty common to start hitting the gym with the illusion of gaining muscle and reducing body fat, but sometimes the illusion evaporates as results never come to appear. Are you hitting the gym regularly but seeing little to no muscle gains? Feeling frustrated as your effort doesn't match the results? Many believe that simply lifting weights is enough to build muscle, but the truth is there's much more to it. From what you eat to how you sleep, hidden factors may be sabotaging your progress. If you're tired of feeling frustrated, this video will uncover the key reasons why your gains have stalled and, more importantly, how to fix them. Welcome to Levitas. To uncover the reason for your stalled gains, we first need to answer the following questions. Are you having adequate physical stimulus? Muscle growth starts with proper physical stimuli, also known as progressive overload, the principal pillar of muscle building. This principle involves gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles through heavier weights, more reps, or higher intensity workouts. Without it, your muscles have no reason to grow. Think of your muscles as adaptive tissues. They respond to stress by becoming stronger and larger, but only if the stress is sufficient to challenge them. If your workouts are repetitive or lack intensity, you're missing the critical spark for hypertrophy. Tracking your progress in the gym is key. You can simply track it by asking yourself these questions. Are you lifting heavier weights over time? Are you adding intensity techniques like supersets or drop sets? These methods create micro-tears in your muscle fibers, which are repaired during recovery, leading to growth. Equally important is variety. Sticking to the same exercises for months can lead to plateaus. Introducing new movements or changing the tempo of your lifts can re-engage your muscles. Remember, growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. It requires effort and consistency. If your workouts aren't leaving you fatigued but not exhausted, it's time to reassess your physical stimulus. Are you getting enough protein? Protein is the cornerstone of muscle building, acting as the building blocks for repairing and growing muscle tissue. Without adequate protein intake, your body simply doesn't have the raw materials needed to support hypertrophy. The general recommendation for muscle growth is to consume 1.6 to 2.6 grams of protein per kilogram of lean body weight daily. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms or around 154 pounds, aim for 112 to 182 grams of protein per day depending on your goals. Consuming protein-rich meals spaced evenly throughout the day helps maintain a positive nitrogen balance, which is crucial for muscle synthesis. Post-workout protein is especially important. Aim for 20 to 40 grams of high-quality protein within 6 hours of exercising. When it comes to sources, prioritize lean meats like beef, chicken, and turkey, fatty fish such as salmon, and plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, and organic tofu. Don't overlook protein supplements like whey or pea protein for convenience. While it's possible to build muscle on a low-protein diet, it's far less efficient. If your gains are stalling, take a hard look at your protein intake. It might just be the missing puzzle piece. Next main question is, are you eating enough? Building muscle isn't just about what you eat. It's also about how much. To grow muscle, your body needs a caloric surplus, more calories than it burns in a day. If you're under-eating or unintentionally in a calorie deficit, your body prioritizes energy for essential functions, leaving little for muscle repair and growth. To determine if you're eating enough, calculate your total daily energy expenditure and aim to consume 10 to 20% more calories than this figure. For example, if your total daily energy expenditure is 2,500 calories, aim for 2,600 to 2,800 calories per day. Ensure these calories come from nutrient-dense foods with a high ratio of protein and healthy fats. Carbohydrates in very controlled amounts can help replenishing glycogen stores. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and extra virgin olive oil, support hormone production, including testosterone, which is critical for muscle growth. If your progress has stalled, keep a food diary or use apps to track your intake. Many people are shocked to find they're eating far less than they think. Don't be afraid to eat more. It could be the key to unlocking your muscle-building potential. Are you getting enough rest? Muscles aren't built in the gym. They're built during recovery. When you exercise, you create micro-tears in your muscle fibers. These tears are repaired during rest, a process that makes your muscles stronger and larger. Skipping on rest will sabotage your gains, leading to overtraining and increased risk of injury. Overtraining syndrome is characterized by fatigue, poor performance, and even muscle loss. This is a common pitfall for those chasing quick results. To avoid it, schedule rest days into your training routine. A good rule of thumb is to allow 48 hours of recovery for the same muscle group before training it again. Active recovery, like light yoga or walking, can also support muscle repair by improving blood flow without causing additional stress. Listen to your body. If you're constantly fatigued or struggling to complete workouts, you might need more rest. Incorporate relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing to lower cortisol levels, as this stress hormone can hinder muscle growth. Rest isn't a sign of weakness. It's an essential component of any successful training program. Are you insulin resistant? Insulin is a key hormone for muscle building, as it drives nutrients like glucose and amino acids into your muscle cells. However, insulin resistance, when cells no longer respond effectively to insulin, can severely stall your gains. This condition often arises from poor diet, inactivity, or excessive body fat. When insulin resistance occurs, your body struggles to deliver the necessary nutrients to muscles, impairing their ability to grow. Elevated insulin levels also increase fat storage, further complicating your muscle-building efforts. Improving insulin sensitivity is crucial for overcoming this barrier. Regular exercise, especially resistance and high-intensity interval training, can enhance insulin function. Dietary adjustments like avoiding refined carbs and increasing fiber intake can also help. Foods like proteins, leafy greens, berries, and healthy fats are particularly effective at stabilizing blood sugar levels. Supplements like chromium, magnesium, and alpha-lipoic acid can further support insulin sensitivity. Additionally, practicing time-restricted eating, where you limit food intake to an 8 to 10-hour window, can give your body time to reset its insulin response. Addressing insulin resistance isn't just about health, it's a direct path to better muscle gains. Are you sleeping enough? Sleep is often overlooked but is one of the most critical factors for muscle growth. During sleep, your body produces growth hormone, which plays a pivotal role in repairing and building muscle tissue. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts this process, leading to reduced recovery, lower energy levels, and stalled progress in the gym. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Consistency is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which supports hormone production. Poor sleep hygiene, such as late-night screen use or consuming caffeine in the evening, can suppress melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Simple strategies can drastically improve sleep quality. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and consider using blackout curtains or white noise machines. Incorporate a calming bedtime routine, like reading or meditating, to signal your body that it's time to rest. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a non-negotiable part of muscle building. If you've been neglecting this critical aspect, make sleep a priority. Your body and your gains will thank you. In conclusion, building muscle is a complex process that requires more than just hitting the gym. Proper physical stimulus, like progressive overload, ensures your muscles are consistently challenged to adapt and grow. Without it, progress halts. Equally vital is protein intake, providing the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Insufficient calories can also stall gains, as your body needs energy to fuel recovery and hypertrophy. Rest and recovery, often underestimated, allow your muscles the time they need to repair and grow stronger, while overtraining only hinders progress. Insulin resistance, a silent barrier, affects nutrient delivery to muscles, but can be improved through diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Lastly, sleep is your ultimate recovery tool, driving growth hormone production and restoring energy. Overlooking these critical factors will sabotage your progress. Addressing each area with intention ensures your efforts translate into real, sustained muscle growth. Take a balanced approach and watch your gains flourish. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.